I mentioned yesterday, if you got it, fa, ain, lam are three standard huruf in grammar to tell many things. Simply they will put fatha, dhamma, kasra, fatha, dhamma, kasra, sukoon, fatha, dhamma, fatha, kasra, sukoon on all of them, whatever is required, and convey you the meaning. Instead of saying, for example, this, in grammar, they will simply mention through this. So these are, you can say, imaginary huruf. Fa, ain, lam are imaginary huruf. Fa stands for the first root letter, ain stands for second root letter, and lam stands for third root letter. Now we have a chart. First of all, of Bab Karoma. Karoma, as abbreviation, is called Bab Kaf. Madi.
Sorry, what's in the bracket?
Kaf.
Why is the kaf there?
Of Karoma, abbreviation of Karoma.
This is the representation of.
Yeah. Madi, Madare, inactive voice. Okay, don't say. Madi, Ma'ruf, means active voice. Ma'ruf means active voice.
Is the active verbs?
Yeah, active verb. And Madare, Ma'ruf means active Madare. Then will be infinitive. This you will have to look into the dictionary. Which one is this? Then you will have ism fa'il, doer noun. Ism fa'il, doer noun. And then adjective. Adjective noun, or you can say adjective, okay. Adjective, but in Arabic you will call it sifat or sifa. Then you will have Madi Majhul. Madi Majhul means passive. Passive verb. Then Madare Majhul.
Those are all going to be columns, right?
Yeah, they could come vertical.
Oh,
And then next would be, you can draw a line, straight line, and you have line on your paper, you don't have any more problem. But for me it's a problem. I may lose the line. Madare Majhul means passive Madare. Then will be Ism Maf'ul. Ism Maf'ul means the object, noun. object noun. That was ism file, doer noun or subject noun. This is object noun. So Bab Karoma. Okay.
What's the second one from the right? Active what?
Mudare maruf, Madi maruf.
Madi Maruf.
Mudare maruf.
Madare Maruf. Madare in active form. This is Madare in passive form.
What does map? What it?
I don't know you are familiar with these terms or not. Let me tell you. This is actually to do, and this is to be done.
What's the Arabic part of it? Doer noun.
Doer noun, ism file.
The person who is doing something.
Not the person, the name permanently, whoever is he. Qatil is the killer, whoever is he, X, Y, Z. The common name for the killer is Qatil, like in English, killer. No, Qatil may be same David, anybody, but the common name for all the killers is killer, murderer. So in Arabic, that will be Qatil, that is ism file. Jahil is unknown, and not knowing. Majhul is unknown. You know, when you say Sameem closed the door, it's an active sentence. But I don't want to disclose that who closed the door. What can I say? Door was closed.
It's in simple in English same.
Yeah,
Passive voice.
active and passive voice. You know, Sameem closed the door. Door was closed by Sameem. If I don't want to mention Sameem, the sentence would be complete. Door was closed. What actually we do is the object becomes the doer in passive voice. Door was closed. So karoma is the verb. Say we take the example of another verb. Abuda. Madare would be ya'budu. Ya'budu. Madare would be ya'budu. Infinitive should be ibadah or ubudiyah. Ibadah, ubudiyah. Ism file, in this case there is no ism file, remember, because this is not an act. All the verbs falling in this bab are not acts, so there will be no doer noun. Yes, there will be sifat abdun. No passive voice. Because these are not acts.
And what does this word mean?
Pardon?
What's this, Abdul?
Abdun. This is sifa. Abuda, ya abudu, ibadatun or ubudiyatun. Then the adjective is abdun, slave.
What did you say? Why we don't have the Madi and Majhul and Mudari?
Because they are not acts.
Right.
You know, when there is act, there is file and victim. The act upon.
Yeah, you're right. Yes. Correct.
Since these are not acts, so there is no maf'ul, there is no passive voice. Then the next bab we have got nasara. Bab nasara, abbreviated as noon. Noon for nasara. The example we take is of qatala. Qatala yaqtulu. No, not qital. Qatala yaqtulu qatlun. Sorry. Qatlun. To kill. Ism fa'il will be qatil. Qatilun. No sifat. That sifat can be of many shapes. Remember, there are hundreds of shapes of qatl. Again, you will have to go to the dictionary. Whether that sifat exists or not, there are different patterns for sifat. Whether that pattern is applicable in certain verb or not, dictionary will tell you.
So is there any rule to recognize that there is sifa or not? For example, in journal, is there any rule or any hit and trial rule?
No, they can be. Qatil can be a sifat here, but I am not sure about it. Qatil chivai, oh, yehi hai na, ghaliban. But for that you have to look into a dictionary. Okay, don't write it down. I'll just mention consult dictionary. Okay. There can be more than one sifa also for one root. Then the passive voice, qutila.
We didn't learn the majhul, so maybe it will be confused to some, or it's okay. Later on, you're gonna tell us about the majhul.
Okay.
Qutila.
Yuqtalu. Yuqtalu. And the Vikram noun or object noun would be maqtulun, mansurun, maqtulun. Next bab is fataha. Fataha. Bab fa. Fataha yaftahu. Ja'ala yaj'alu. Ja'ala yaj'alu. I don't remember its infinitives exactly. You can look into the dictionary. Then ja'ilun, inni ja'ilun fil ardi khalifa. Sifat again, dictionary.
That's good.
Then ju'ila. Ju'ila sabtu in the Quran.
جعل السبت على الذين اختلفوا.
Yes. Ju'ila yuj'alu. Ju'ila yuj'alu. And maj'ulun. Daraba yadribu is the next bab. Daraba, abbreviated as noon. Qadara yaqdiru. Qadara yaqdiru. Qudratun. No, there's no rule. Qudratun. Nasr, nusratun, same. Both are infinitives. Qudratun, qadirun. Inna Allah qadirun. Qadirun. Sifat is qadirun. Qadirun. Then qudira. Yuqdaru. Exactly. Yuqdaru. Maqdurun. Qudira yuqdaru maqdurun. मकदूर भर कोशिश की है ना, दिस इज द वर्ड. गफर यगफिर. मैं यही सोच रहा था कि ऐसी कोई एग्जांपल हो जो मारूफ लफ्जों में से हो. गफर यगफिर, गुड एग्जांपल.
ठीक है
जी
अल्लाह फी लैलतिल क़द्र.
हाँ जी.
क़द्र it's okay.
Then next bab we have is Samia Yasma'u. Samia Yasma'u, bab seen. Shariba Yasma'u, good example. Shariba Yashrabu. You know, I said hundreds and thousands of words. Now you understand? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday is the fifth day. Alhamdulillah, you are able to form the verbs, nouns, verbs. You know, you have got this, you can have 14. You have got this, again 14. You have got this, you have 14. You have got this, you have 14. You have this, you have 18. You have this, you have 18. You can do it. I'm just telling you the first. And that also I don't have to tell you. The moment you get this hint that which bab that particular root is falling in, now you can get everything immediately. Shariba yashrabu. Shariba yashrabu shurbatan. Shurbatan. Shurbatan and sharaban. Both. It can be some other also. But it is not your concern. It's against the rules, so forget about them. This line, this line, this line, this line, this line, and this line, they have to be according to the rule. The rest, you need dictionary, no problem. Or you just recall an example from the Quran. There is no better authority than the Holy Quran itself. So, sharibun, drinker. Sharibun. Then again here dictionary. Shuriba, it was drunk. Shuriba al-ma'u, water was drunk. Yushrabu, yushrabu mashrubun.
What's the second infinitive?
Which one?
What's the second infinitive? Shall.
Sharaban.
Sharaban tahura.
Shurbatan, sharaban, drink. Sharab.
What is right there?
Because of lack of space, I had to shorten it.
Oh.
This is this one, sharaban. Yes.
Is there no sikha or do you have to go to the dictionary for sikha?
Dictionary.
Yeah, dictionary. Dictionary will not tell you all this. You know what I am writing here? Certainly this is by rule, this is by rule. Dictionary has told you this. It will tell you the infinitive. It will tell you the sifat if any. And this you have to make according to rule. You are supposed to know that. If you know Arabic a little bit, then you can make all this.
So both Fatihah Tanween, the
Say it again.
infinitive are both the ending with Tanween Fatihah. Sharabatun.
Yeah, it can be anything. It can be in nasab form and normally should be actually the rafa form, more appropriate. But it's
And the other one,
sharabun, okay. Do it like this. Better in rafa form. Because I've told you the rule that a normal form of ism is rafa form. Samia yasma'u, shariba yashrabu. Then the next is last hasiba. Hasiba. It's a very rare bab. You will hardly get any example of it. You just take hasiba. And as I told you, even the Holy Quran has not done it in hasiba. Hasiba in Quran is in samya. Hasiba yasabu. Ayasabul insanu allan najma izama. So do it hasiba. This is bab ha. Hasiba yahsibu. Hisaban, hisabun, hasibun, sorry, hasibun, then husiba, yuhsabu, Sorry. Sifat will be hasibun. Hasibun, husiba, yuhsabu,
محسوب.
mahsubun, yuhsabu, mahsubun. Mahsubun. So इस बाब का रुमा आबुदा याबुदु इबादतन और उबूदियतन फहु अब्दुन. You know they. No nice please. Abuda yabudu ibadatan ubudiyatan fahu abdun. So it's described like this, fahu abdun. That means he is the doer. Then bab nasara qatala yaqtulu qatlun qatilun fahu qatilun. Then
Slow down, please.
okay. Kutila. Kutila, this specifies now. Kutila was killed. Yuqtalu will be killed. Maqtulun, the killed. Ja'ala yaj'alu. Ja'ilun, fahuwa ja'ilun. Ju'ila yuj'alu, fahuwa majhulun. Sorry, maj'ulun. I'm sorry, not maj'ulun, majhulun. Maj'ulun.
You need a wing, right? You would need a.
Yeah, yeah. No, when there is a noun, it has to be tanween, even if I write or not. Tanween is the issue of ism. Alif lam is the issue of ism. In verb, there is no alif lam, there is no tanween. Then number 3 is fataha. Example, sorry, you have done this. Yeah, next is daraba. Example is qaf dal ra, qadara yaqdiru, qudratun, fahuwa qadirun. The sifat is qadirun. Sifat qadirun, then passive voice is qudira, yuqdaru, maqdurun. Then is bab samia. Example is seen ra ba, used for drinking. Shuriba yushrabu, mashrubun. Thank you very much. Hasiba yahsibu, hisabun. Then fahuwa hasibun, sifat hasibun. Passive voice, past tense husiba, madare yuhsabu, and ism maf'ul is mahsubun.